Hey guys, check out this inflatable mattress for the truck bed. It fits perfectly around the wheel hubs. Let's check out what it looks like. You get two inflatable pillows as well. Attachments. A very cool feature about this one is a built-in air pump. Here's our mattress. This pump is rechargeable. As the other cool thing is you don't have to carry a cord around or plug it into your car. You just recharge it with the USB-C port. Pulls out just like that. That inflates it. And then if we twist it the other way, that sucks out the air so you can pack it. And includes the cord in here for recharging. On the bottom of the mattress, it has extra cloth protection from the punctures. You can always remove the pump to recharge it while the mattress is inflated and it's not going to put out any air. You can manually deflate it right here or inflate it with a different pump if you need to, using this nozzle right here. Comes with these two pillows. Has nice velvety material here to prevent your pillows and blankets from sliding off. A perfect mattress for the back of the truck, for stargazing, for enjoying the outdoors, watching the sunset, sunrises, or of course just having a great night's sleep in the back of your truck.